Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. Today we are making Hausa koko. In Tamale here we call it zakoko. So to begin, I will be soaking this millet overnight. So after adding the water, I will cover it with a lid and then leave it till the next morning. So now it's a new day and this is how the millet looks. So I'll just drain this away and wash it several times till the millet becomes clear for me to blend it. Please, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also share this video. This millet porridge is one of the best porridge that we have. We also have the red millet porridge. I have a video on that on this channel, so you can check it out. So now I'm adding ginger, grains of selim, black peppercorn, and cloves, and then I'll add some water and blend this till it is very smooth. If you also want to make your cocoa in large quantities, you can go to the commercial grinding centers where they will grind the millet for you in bulk so that you bring it to the house, strain, and then make your cocoa out of it. And because I'm just making it for a small number of people, I'm using my blender. So now I'm done with the blending. I'm just going to pour it in this large bowl and then rinse the blender with additional water and add it to this one. Then I'll strain it through a very fine strainer so that any chaff will remain in the strainer. So I'll do this till I finish with everything. This is also another tedious part that you have to take your time to strain it one. Yes, did I? Now I'm done with the straining, so I'm adding some water to the millet juice and I'll cover it for it to also rest overnight. So it's another day and this is how the millet juice has turned to. You can see the top part, the color is a little bit yellowish. So I'm just draining the top part and leaving the thickened portion that is under. So to make a very authentic cocoa, you need to start very early. That is with the soaking and the blending so that it will get the chance to ferment well. But you can also make an instant porridge. So now the drained water will be placed on fire to boil. So now it's boiling. So the thickened portion, I'll just use my ladle here to just stir it and fetch some of the boiling water and set it aside and add the thickened portion. But you have to turn off your gas before you do this. So I just added it and I'll continuously stir so that it doesn't form some lumps. And I'll add the water I reserved just to make it a little bit light. You may decide to add additional hot water if you want it to be very light, but I just want you to have this texture. But you may choose not to follow this part depending on the consistency that you want. So I'll just be stirring this for like 3 to 4 minutes. Then it's ready for me to serve my porridge. You can choose to make an instant Hausa cocoa by just washing your millet and adding the spices, blend, strain, and just make the cocoa. But it will not taste like the one I just made in this video. Now I'll add some sugar, or you can add your honey and give it a stir. And you know how it's going to end. You can pair it with bread, peanut, that is the roasted one, or both fruits, or kose or masa. So we are drinking it with both fruits. Thank you for watching. Bye.